Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Football Manager 26 not loading or stuck on loading screen on PC. So here follow the fixes. The first fix is to restart Steam or restart your PC. So right click on this arrow icon, then right click on Steam and then click on exit Steam and then relaunch the Steam and then launch Football Manager 26 game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then simply restart your PC. And after your PC restart, then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to clear Steam download cache. So open Steam, click on this word Steam and then click on settings. Now go to the downloads tab, scroll down and next to clear download cache, click on clear cache. This will close the Steam and then relaunch the Steam and then launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Fix 3 is to modify the game launch option. You can try -dx11 or -dx12. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Football Manager 26, select properties. Now in the launch options type -dx11, then close the tab and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to properties and this time type -dx12. Now launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to properties, remove the command from the launch options and follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 4 is to run the game as an administrator from the game installation folder or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Football Manager 26, click on manage and then select browse local files. It will take you to the game installation folder. Now right click on this fm.exe file and then select properties and then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK, then launch the game from the game installation folder from here itself and then check if your problem is fixed or not. If not, then tick mark run this program in compatibility mode 4 from the drop down, select Windows 8, hit apply, OK, then launch the game from here and check. If it's still not working, then from drop down here select Windows 7, hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then this time also select disable full screen optimization option, hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then again go to the compatibility tab and check all these boxes, hit apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 5 is to update graphic card driver. So simply update your graphic card driver to the latest version and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then you have to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have AMD graphic card driver, then go to the AMD website. If you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, then go to the NVIDIA website. And if you have Intel graphic card driver, then go to the Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. And then you have to search and select your correct graphic card driver and then reinstall it. And then you can launch the game and check. So I am showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website and once you are on this NVIDIA website, you have to enter your graphic card driver version over here. Then select the Windows operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view, then click on downloads. And once this exe file get downloaded, then run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue. Then select custom advanced option and then hit on next. Then tick mark perform a clean installation box and then click on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, restart your PC once and then you can launch the game and check. Fix 6 is to rename or delete these save game files, but you must create a backup of this folder to desktop first because you will lose all the save game progress. So here how to rename or delete these save game files. Open File Explorer, open C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, open app data folder. Now if you don't see app data, then click on this view, show and check mark hidden items. Then click on app data folder, then open local folder. Now here look for sports interactive folder, right click on it and then first copy it and then paste it to desktop to keep the backup. And once you have the backup, then right click on this sport interactive folder and then select rename. You can either rename it and then launch the game and check, or you can simply right click on it and then select delete to delete it and then you can launch the game and check. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Fix 7 is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search, type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Then click on manage ransomware protection. Then click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Then click on add an allowed app. Then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder. Open program files x86 folder. Open Steam folder. Open Steam apps folder. Open common folder. Open football manager 26 folder. And then select fm.exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Now go back. Click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Then click on change settings. Then click on allow another app and then click on browse. Now browse to the game installation folder. Open program files x86 folder. Open Steam folder. Open Steam apps folder. Open common folder. Open football manager 26 folder. And then select fm.exe file and then click on open and then click on add. Now in my case it is already added, and after adding it click OK to save changes. Now you can go ahead and launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus programs such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, Avicii, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, then allow the game exe to your antivirus program as well. Or you can simply turn off your antivirus program, play the game, and later you can turn on your antivirus program. Fix 8 is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on football manager 26 game, select properties, go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 9 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is given in my video description. And once you are on the Microsoft website, scroll down and download both the x64 version and x86 version. You have to download both the version and then you have to install both of them. So first click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Now click on x86 version. Now again if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. And then restart your PC, and after your PC restart, then you can launch the game and check. Fix 10 is to disable overlay. So first disable game overlay in Steam. So open Steam, go to library, right click on football manager 26 game, select properties and turn off enable the Steam overlay while in game. So turn it off and then you can launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to properties, this time enable it and then launch the game and check. Disable Discord overlay. Launch Discord on your PC, then click on gear icon in the app bottom left corner, click on game overlay on the left panel and then toggle off the enable in-game overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 11 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick, controller, multiple monitor connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, end the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, HW Info, Razer, Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Now fix 12 is to update Windows. So go to the Windows settings. On the left click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates, and if there are any updates available, then download and install them and then just restart your PC once. And after your PC restart, then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 13 is to uninstall and reinstall the game. Now if nothing seems to work, then simply uninstall Football Manager 26 from your PC, then restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive and then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So these are some of the fixes that you can try to fix Football Manager 26 not loading or stuck on loading screen on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.